Waterfall project management is the true OG of the project management world, making its debut in the 1970s when Dr. Winston W. Royce dropped his iconic paper laying down the rules for orderly project flow. Since then, it's been the go-to method for getting things done step by step, like following a recipe for success. Imagine you're building something big, like a cool tree house, and you have a solid plan. With Waterfall, you follow each step carefully, one after the other, gathering materials, your requirements, drawing the design, building, and then testing it to make sure it's safe and fun. And the best part, you always know what comes next and nothing gets rushed. It's super organized, so there's no guesswork and everyone knows exactly what to do. If your project is clear from the start, Waterfall ensures you finish strong with no surprises along the way. But here's the cool part. If you realize later you want to add something, like a slide for example, there are change management tools to help. These tools let you handle new requests smoothly without messing up the whole project. So even if new ideas pop up, Waterfall has a way to fit them in without chaos. Now, before we dive into the project lifecycle, let's quickly talk about some key components that are very important and could give us understanding about the environment we will be working in. Alright, picture this. You're about to start building the ultimate treehouse, aka your project. But before you grab a hammer, you need to figure out a few things. First, you need well-defined goals. You can't just say, I want a cool treehouse and call it a day. You need to decide what cool means to you. Does it need a ladder, a secret door, a slide? Without these clear goals, you might end up with something halfway done, or worse, something that you didn't even want to begin with. Next up, constraints. These are like the rules you have to follow. Well, maybe you've only got $50 for wood. Or perhaps you have only 2 days to finish it because it's someone's birthday. And you've got to balance the time, money, and what you can actually build within those limits, or you'll end up with an unfinished treehouse and some serious regret. Lastly, assumptions. These are the things you expect to be true without needing proof. Like you're assuming your spouses are cool with you taking over the backyard, or that they'll bite the nails and paint. If these assumptions don't hold up, well, you will need a new plan. So in every project, whether it's building a treehouse or launching the next big thing, nailing down goals, constraints, and assumptions is key to make sure you don't end up with a mess. Balanced matrix organization is one of the most common environments for applying waterfall project management methodology. In a balanced matrix organization, you've got the best of both worlds. It's like a well-orchestrated band where everyone has a part to play. Here, project managers and functional managers share power and responsibilities. It's a bit like being in a group project where you have a team leader and also a mentor who guides you in your specific area of expertise. Most commonly, it's up to the functional manager to clearly define what percentage of time specific resource is available for project-related work and what percentage is reserved for employees' daily operational tasks. In this setup, the project manager has authority over the project itself, while functional managers handle their specialized teams. This balance allows for better collaboration and resource sharing because team members can work on different projects while still reporting to their functional managers. It helps ensure that everyone stays aligned with their department goals while also contributing to the project's success. Alright, let's break down some key players in a project, because every good project needs a solid team.